Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. It's your girl MissErinYvette. I've been rocking my Marley twist for about 2.5 weeks now. Still rocking them, still consistent, y'all know. If you haven't seen the tutorial, I actually filmed the last time I did these. I actually have it pulled up on my TV right now. I've been sitting here watching it so many times and I really just can't believe like my little journey on YouTube. Today I'm going to be redoing all of the looks that I did in that video. It's got over 125,000 views today. So definitely go check out that tutorial. Speaking of Marley twists honestly are like the most watched video on my channel, period. So thank you guys for always supporting my Marley twist videos. I'm kind of nervous, y'all. Oh my god, like I said, watching myself on this dang TV is kind of weird. But if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, tap that subscribe button, give it a like. Let's hop right into this. All right, here we go.
Know that you are
guys, that is the end of this video. Let me know down below in the comments which look was your favorite. If you're new here, of course, I know you subscribed. I just know you did, okay? I know you liked the video and all. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Peace.